Sunrise goes over desert sage. Morning dove coos in a canyon stage. Her wings they flutter like a tender sigh beneath the boundless Arizona sky. Cactus shadows stretch across the sand. A woman's heart heavy by life's cruel hand, but she hears the whisper in the dove's sweet tune. From a place that glimmers like a silver moon, Jesus brings her solace in the desert air. With a dove song softly weaving through her prayer, in the heat of sorrow she finds sweet release, as the Arizona dawn brings eternal peace.